Hey everyone, it's Rick. Rick Sells Tools. Everything you see will be for sale on eBay at Rick Sells Tools. Here's another online auction tool haul win. All Craftsman it looks like. And they're double open end wrenches. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we got. First one's 44584. It's a V44584. 3/4 by 7/8, 44584 V, 3/4 by 7/8. First time I'm looking at these other than, you know, opening the box. Definitely used, but I don't see any owner's marks. Not that if you're a real user of tools, I don't think owner's marks really matter. But anyway, there you go. First one, 3/4 by 7/8. I just real quick. I just keep looking at it because I find it interesting that the sizes are only on one side. Most wrenches have sizes on both sides. You're looking at this size to see the number, but you got to flip it over to see the size. Oh well. Next one. This is a V44585. This one was 44584V. This is 44585V. And that's 15/16 by 1 inch. 15/16 by 1 inch. Again, if you're interested in these wrenches, I'll probably sell this as a set based on what I'm seeing. This set will be on eBay. This one's 44584. 44584, which is a duplicate of this one. Interesting. So I got two of the same. Two 44584s. This one is in way better shape, like almost never been used shape. Let's take a look. You take a look at it. Wow. If this one's been used, it hasn't been used too many times, that's for sure. Look at that. That's a beauty. So 44584, and that's a V. This is 44591. This is also a V, 44591. 13/16 by 11/16. 13/16 by 11/16. So that's V 44591, V 44582, V 44582. This is 5/8 by 3/4. This one's been used. That's a working man's wrench right there. Four 44582, 3/4 by 5/8. This one's definitely older. This has no serial number. So this wrench is pre-serial number. This is a 5/8 by 3/4, which is the same as the one I just showed you. But this one is significantly older because it doesn't have the V, the VV, it doesn't have any numbers, nothing. This is a 5/8 by 3/4 Craftsman. This is a 44579V, 44579V, 1/2 inch by 9/16, 1/2 inch by 9/16. This is 44572 VV 44572 VV 44572. Another VV. Well, this one, yeah, VV44572, VV44572. This is in better shape than that one, than the last one. So when I build out the set and put the set on eBay, I'll use the better quality of the two where there's duplicates. And I'll either keep the other ones or sell them individually. 44572. 44571 VV44571. Little dinky do. Four, 572. Now I'm going to show you something cool real quick as I end the video. I just got another tool haul in, and I want to show you this wrench, and I'll set that one down. Now this is a pretty good size wrench. I mean, this is a 15/16 by 1 inch. This is a good size wrench. Wait till you see what I just got in. I got in 12 wrenches that are all around this size. This is a Williams Super Wrench, and I have to back up a number of feet. Just to give you an idea how big this wrench is. Giant. It is giant. This wrench probably weighs 5 pounds. But I have 11 wrenches like this, 12 wrenches like this coming in a video coming up really soon. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. All these wrenches will be for sale on eBay. Rick Sells Tools. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.